Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm your instructor Dali from Koyotech, and in the last episode we learned about what heading element is and the purpose of using it. Now in this lesson we are going to continue using HTML to write our own code. Just like the heading element, the paragraph element has an opening tag and a closing tag. The content that goes between these tags forms the paragraph. We need paragraph tag because without them, plain text in an HTML document will run into each other on the same line when displayed on a website. This makes it difficult to distinguish between paragraphs. And if we had created two separate paragraph elements for these two lines of text, the code would display them with a line break in between, making it clear when one paragraph ends and the next begins. This is also important for people who use screen readers, allowing users to easily skip to the next paragraph and understand the structure of the text. So before putting those skills into practice by trying an exercise using the paragraph element, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any video of this amazing and funny bootcamp. Alright, so you can find the exercises link in the description down below. Download it and open Visual Studio Code and import the folder into it. Alright, inside index.html you will find 3 paragraphs filled with placeholder text in Latin, which doesn't really mean anything. It's just there to give you an idea of how a paragraph of text would look. Now if you right click and select show preview, you will notice that all 3 paragraphs are crammed together into one long line. It's like a jumbled mess and you can't even tell where the paragraph ends and the other begins. Your challenge now is to use the paragraph element to properly format these paragraphs. Once you are done, check the preview. Pause the video now and we will go through the solution together once you've completed the task. Alright, how was it guys? So let's use the paragraph tag to separate our text into clear paragraphs. Place the opening tag, the P before the first paragraph and the closing tag at the end of the first paragraph. So repeat this process for all the remaining paragraphs. You can either click and drag the tags to their correct position or cut and paste them. The important thing is to place them correctly. Once you've added the tags, check the preview. You should see the paragraphs forming as you type, resembling our goal. If you compare your code to the solution HTML, you will see that the tags are placed correctly. So hopefully you were able to complete this task independently and understand the benefits of using paragraph elements to organize text into distinct paragraphs. Now we are going to learn about the void elements. So what exactly void elements? Well, we have seen previously what a non-void element are, such as the paragraph element and in the last episode the heading elements. And they are not empty because they have something written inside them. So right here, a void element is a special kind of HTML tag that doesn't allow any text or other elements to be placed inside the tag. So it's like a container with no inside space, and in fact the tag itself looks different, and this is one of the most common tag, which is the break element, and it looks like this. So notice how the self-closing tag starts with an angle bracket and ends with another angle bracket, just like a normal HTML element's closing tag. However, there is a subtle difference in a self-closing tag when writing void elements, and what this for is a convention to pay attention that you are using these elements. Now, how does the break element work? If we had this code right here, our void element doesn't have any content in it, but it just shows where the breaks in this paragraph, and it's used for clear and easy to read text. So guys, I think this is the end of this episode. So I think we don't need an exercise for this void element, but we will use it in a project. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed this amazing tutorial. And for all of that and more, see you next.